Make x the subject of the formula n is equal p over square root of x plus bx. We can write this as n is equal to p over square root of ax plus bx. N over 1. We can cross multiply. N times square root of ax plus bx is equal to p. Then we can divide both sides by n. So we can say that we divide this by n, we divide this by n. Ax plus bx square root is equal to p over n. Now we can square both sides. We can say that ax plus bx square root, we square both sides, squared is equal to p over n squared. These two will cancel the square root. This is going to give us ax plus bx is equal to p over n squared. X is common here, x is common here. We can take x outside the bracket. X into bracket a plus b is equal to p over n squared. We can divide both sides by a plus b. So we can say x into bracket a plus b, we divide by a plus b is equal to p over n squared divided by a plus b. This will cancel this. X is equal to p over n squared times 1 over a plus b. Then now we can say that x is equal, we can open this bracket here. We can say that x is equal to p power 2 over n power 2. We multiply by 1 over a plus b, then we can say that x is equal to b squared over n squared times a plus b. X is equal to p squared over n squared times a plus b. Thank you for watching.